In the expansive oil and gas fields of Uzbekistan, two remarkable 500 kilowatts gas generators have been smoothly installed. Gas generators represent an innovative force in the modern energy landscape. They efficiently convert gas into electricity, offering stable and reliable power for the field's operations while significantly reducing energy waste. Moreover, their operating costs are lower than traditional power generation methods, saving substantial capital for users. In terms of environmental protection, gas generators shine with relatively low pollutant emissions, contributing to sustainable development. For example, these 500 kilowatts generators can operate stably under diverse and complex environmental conditions, maintaining a consistent power output regardless of temperature extremes. Their maintenance is relatively straightforward, minimizing later-stage costs. Even in harsh weather, they ensure the normal operation of the oil and gas fields. The intelligent monitoring system detects and warns of potential faults in real time, enhancing the stability and reliability of power generation. In conclusion, with their efficiency, economy, environmental friendliness, and stability, gas generators have proven to be an excellent choice for energy supply. The successful installation in Uzbekistan's oil and gas fields is a vivid testament to their outstanding practical performance.